Hello, Maris.
Hi, Sama.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
So what are you going to show me today?
November Progress.
Awesome. Let's go.
Let's go. We are on the 5th floor. Currently, Block B. These are walling. 100% done on the 5th.
Sorry, how many?
100% done.
100% done. The wall partitioning.
Yeah, partitioning.
Okay, that's great. So I think we are in one of the bedrooms of one of the houses.
Yeah.
I believe you're in Block A.
This Block A.
Which floor?
6th floor.
This is 6th floor, Block
6th floor,
A,
Block
correct?
A. Walling 100% done.
Volume partitioning.
Walling partitioning. Okay. For all the units on this block.
Okay.
Now you are standing on the 9th floor. This the 9th floor slab is 100% casted.
Okay, that's great.
On Block B.
On Block B.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then these are the columns to the 10th floor.
So this is 9th floor, this is the column heading to the 10th floor.
Heading to the 10th
Correct.
floor. Also casted 100%.
Casted 100% as I can see.
Yeah. Then that's the lift shaft.
So
the lift to the 9th floor is casted 100%. That's the formwork to the 9th.
how many percent?
100%.
Correct.
That's the formwork to the 10th floor.
Oh, so these ones that I see is the formwork heading to the 10th
Heading
floor.
to the 10th floor.
Correct.
From,
On Block B.
On Block B.
Well, actually, on both blocks.
On Block B, yeah.
The links are the same. Yeah.
On the other side, columns to the 10th floor.
You are pointing at that.
Yeah, this is 10. That is 11.
Correct. And the one which is working on is 12.
It's 12. Yeah.
Correct.
So, columns on the 10th floor to 11, 100% done.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Then the
11th floor
slab,
to 12th floor.
also 11th floor slab, 100% done.
It's been casted.
It has been, you can see.
Yeah, correct. I can see.
Then the column to the 12th floor, also 100% done. Yeah.
Okay. And what's happening on the 12th floor right now? Block A?
That's the formwork, 100% done.
Formwork.
Reinforcement, 100% done. Waiting for casting.
Correct.
Yeah.
Excellent.